Hello guys, welcome to another beautiful piece of music. And so today I'll be performing Kumama by Prinx Emmanuel. Alright, it's the kind of latest song about a month ago. So I'll play the song normally, then we'll hit directly to the piano tutorial. Alright, let's go.
You have never failed. You have never Hey Yahweh. And you will never disappoint me. Hey Yahweh. When I call you answer.
Alright guys, so that's kind of a breakdown of that song. It's a very simple one, you know. The chord progression is just so simple, right? So the song I started with the strings, alright? So normally the song is being played on F. So on our transpose, we just added 1 plus 5, alright, to get to F. Then you get to C, so we are playing in the key of C. Alright, so it's just 1, a 1, okay, 4. That's we are playing in C, okay, 4, 5, and 6. That's all, you know. Asanga mama kumama papa Eh Yaweh Kumama papa You see, that's the chord progression, alright, that I've just given. We'll take it again. Asanga mwana kuma 4 papa 6. Eh Yaweh Kumama papa He will never fail me, Kumama papa It's the same. Eh Yaweh 4 and 5 and 6. Isi asenyi papa Hey Yaweh Kumama papa So all the stuff that it was now adding right, so you notice I was mostly playing chord, inverted chords, you know. Right, so this F4 but inverted. Okay, 6 can play. Alright, so now the kind of where it's kind of Asanga mumana kumama papa Alright, so I tried to change the voice to Galaxy, alright? Right, I'm trying to give us the softer notation. All right, mi 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 re do ti fa. All right, so we do like go to fa fa pa pa eh. All right, again, hey Yahweh, mi 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 re do ti ya pa pa eh. Alright guys, so that's a breakdown of that song. I hope you love it. Do subscribe to my channel for more good stuff. God bless you and see you.